All right, so I have an SVG that's similar to the file. I just did a quick image trace on the image that you uploaded, and then we're going to grab that real quick in here, and we'll bring it in. So now we've got this file. I'm not sure if yours are individual pieces like this or not. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to go ahead and combine them just in case they are one piece. See, if you want this circle, that's one thing. We can bring a circle in that's this size at the end. I'm just going to cheat here and bring it down to like 7 inches. Let me go ahead and edit center to material. And now I know I need a circle a little bit smaller than 7 inches. So let's bring in a circle here, and we'll do 6.8, 6.8, and we'll edit center to material. And I'm going to send this to the back. This one here, I'm going to set this as no depth. So now I'm going to grab the two of them. So I've got both circles there, edit and combine. And now I've got everything that was left, which is just that one, just that shape, right? So we had a 7-inch circle here a minute ago. So let's bring a 7-inch circle back into this in case you wanted to do that. 7 by 7, edit, center to material. Let's say you want to cut this out. So we'll set it outside the pocket. Something like that maybe is what you want. I'm kind of guessing. I'm not sure. If you are going to use multiple bits for this, like a V bit to carve the detail in here, depending on what size you're cutting this, you can see here when I click uncut areas that it highlights in red where my 1/8 inch end mill cannot get into. So you may want to do this part in a V bit and then this other cut part as the cutout, in which case I usually put I like to leave a master copy of the design, and then I'll do 2 different layouts over here, one for the V bit, or you might do this as 2 different bits, right? So we'll go, I don't know, I don't have a 65, a 60, and an end mill to do the majority of the pocket. And then you could do this. I've arbitrarily chosen my size as a 7-inch one, but you can see that it'd be 25 minutes with the end mill and 25 minutes with the V-bit using the default settings. And then we've got the cutout over here using just an end mill, and I've got some tabs on it to hold it in place when I do the cutout. Totally up to you if you want to do that. But yeah, the trick was just to layer different things in there. In this case, it was a circle, so the circle worked great. And setting the depth of the part you want erased to a 0. And then we have, we've reversed the image to be like the negative of what it was a minute ago. Anyway, hope that helps. Also, if that doesn't work, let's say your design is too complex. I'm just going to bring the same one in here. There's another trick where, let's say these are combined still, right? Where we can go ahead and use offsetter. Or another trick is so we're going to go ahead and set offset to 0 and not keep original, and then import that. And now I have all the features already there without doing that. Now you see those little pieces right there. I gotta go find those and set those to a 0, and then do that combine function here again for this to erase those windows out of there. But that's how you could do that if you wanted to. All right. So I mean, there's more than one ways to take care of this issue. There's actually another one as well. So the Exploder and Shape Exploder app. This might work to invert it. That one was not the right one. Oh, and I didn't combine these. So let me make sure these are combined first, and then we'll use the Shape Explorer one here. The Explorer one I just tried, did do it the way I wanted to. So let's go ahead and try Shape Explorer. So yeah, for that we end up with the same issue I had a minute ago, is that we've got these, but they're not set to what I want them set to, right? So I can go ahead and select these. And now this is just sitting on the back, so I can set that to outside, and we'd have the same exact result here. Now you can see these are not combined together again, so I'm going to go ahead and select them and combine together. So I think I just showed 3 different ways to end up with basically the same results here, whether you want to do the first method that I showed with the masking over it, or if you want to use the offset tool to end up with separate pieces, or if you want to use the shape exploder to end up with the individual pieces, and then you've got to change the depths back and all that stuff. Yeah, totally up to you which one of those three you want to employ. Like I said, I image trace this, so it's not the best quality. I would use your SVG and do one of these 3 steps. Up to you. Take care. Good luck. Bye.